Hello friends, I am Ella and today I am going to teach you how to recover data from a flash or external hard drive or memory card very quickly and easily. So, if you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel, and if you have any questions or educational requests, tell us in the comments.
First, I install the required program. To get the program file, you can refer to my Telegram channel. Well, to activate the program, we have to do it through the keygen file. Well, I will format my flash now to try. Well, as you can see, it restored all my information accurately. Choose any folder or drive other than flash to save data. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe because it will encourage and support me.